Hi, my name is Zach Anderson, and today I will be going over the midterm coding exam. There are 5 problems in total, but this video specifically will focus on problem 3. Per usual, let's begin by defining the problem. So we scroll down here, we see that we are to write a Python function, 2 quadratics, that takes in 2 sets of coefficients and x values, and then prints the sum of the results of evaluating the 2 quadratic equations. It does not do anything else, and basically we're just evaluating and printing the result of this equation here. We are given the following function, eval quadratic, which is defined for us here. Using this given function, we then fill in the 2 quadratics function. So if we come over to the code here, we see that I copied in this provided function, so the defining the eval quadratic. And then when we come down here, this is when we get to what we need to do. So first of all, we see that in this function, there are 8 different parameters passed in here. So in order for this to function and to actually get a number, we're going to require input for all 8 of these variables. So that's what we did down here. So this will ask the user for an input for A1, B1, C1, X1, and then the same for A2 through X2. Once this is done, these 2 functions right here call the eval quadratic function. So it's going to basically call this to be activated, this whole function, which will then return this equation. So this will evaluate and give us a value for the first quadratic equation, and then this will do the same for the second quadratic equation. And then finally, we're just going to combine these 2 at the end with a print statement. So print final result, and then we're just adding the first and the second quadratic equations together. We can see a test run down here that I did of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then it gave us a final result of 402.